Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dance, and I am here to teach you another line dance. It's called Lil Weight. Moving forward, these are some of the dances I will be teaching at the NOLA Southern Experience 2024. I want to give a shout out to everyone that's supporting the NOLA Southern Experience. Thank you. We are very close to selling out. If you still haven't registered, you can still get on the wait list once we sell out. Also, instructors, the playlist is up. It's been on the website since November 2024. I will be updating it March 2020. The playlist was on our website, posted November 2023, and I will update the playlist March 2024. We need about 400 line dances, okay? So check that out, and also the itinerary is on our website. Please visit our website to register, to visit the itinerary or the playlist at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Again, thank you so kindly for your support. Make sure you've registered. Make sure you've booked your hotel also. So, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you want to dance along to this instructional with the music, I'll post it at the end of this video. So let's get started. This dance I'm going to teach you is the two-wall dance. It's a two-wall dance, and there's 3 parts. Let's go. So stand on this side, looking at it in this direction. So part 1. So I'm just going to break down the parts, the 3 parts, and then I'm going to give you the rotation. Okay, it starts with a cha-cha up on the right. 5, 6, 7, right up, right, left, right, rock, left, right, back, left, rock, right, left. Okay, cha-cha up, right, rock, recover, back, left, rock, and then recover. From here, we're going to jump up, hold, back, and up. So we jump forward, it's 1, hold 2, back 3, up 4, and right out and in, and left out and in. Okay, let's do that again. Put it all together. So I jump up, hold, jump back, jump up, right out, left out. Again, I jump up, hold, back, and up, out, right, out, left. Let's add that to the cha-cha. 5, 6, 7, cha-cha up. 1 and 2, rock, 3, recover, 4, back, 5 and 6, 7, 8, jump. It's 1, 2, back, 3, out, 4, out, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2, rock, 3, recover, 4, back, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Up 1, 2, back, 3, up, 4, right, 5, 6, left, 7, 8. From here, I want you to do that cha-cha again. All right, I'm gonna shuffle up on the right and do a half turn. Then I'm gonna shuffle with the left, doing a 3/4 turn. Watch this. So this is what's gonna get me to the next wall so I can do this again. So I shuffle up right, left, right, step, half, pivot, turn, half turn. My left heel is up, I'm gonna shuffle left, right, left, step, right, 3/4 turn. This is my next wall. So if you do a half turn, you're going to get back to this wall. I need you to do a 3/4 turn. All right? So let's do that again. Shuffle, half turn, right, step, left, half turn, left, pivot, right, 3/4 turn. And you're here at this wall. So let's put that together with the first part. Okay? Cha-cha up. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. Jump up. It's 1, hold 2, back 3 and 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle. 1 and 2, half 3, left, 5, then 6, 7, 8. From here, you cha-cha up again, and you do that again. So I just taught you part 1. All right, from here, let's do it. Cha-cha up. 1 and 2, rock 3, back 4, 5, then 6, 7, jump up. Is 1, 2, back 3, up 4 and 5, 6, 7, shuffle. 1 and 2, half 3, 4 left, 5, then 6, 7, 8. So step around on 7, 8. Let me show you from here. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So you step around. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. See how I picked up my feet? So when I did the right, left, right, I pivot. But on the left, right, left, I don't pivot on my right. I'm going to step around. Right, left. Left, right, left, right, left. To position you to be ready to go into that cha-cha. Let's do it again. So from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, cha-cha up. 1 and 2, up 3, 4, 5, and 6, back 7, 8. It's 1, 2, back 3, and 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha right, pivot, left, step around, right, left. That 3/4 turn. That's how you're going to do it. That's the best way to get around. You step around, so don't pivot. Because if you pivot, you see how this leg here is here. That's in position, but this one is back here. So it's best to go right, step around, left, right, and then you're ready. So let's do it from here. 5, 6, so you do it here, part 1, and then part 2. And then we go on to this wall here, our back wall, and I'll teach you, part 1 here, part 1 here, and then it'll bring us to the back wall, and we'll do part 2. Here we go. Part 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4 left, 5, and 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, back 3, up 4, out 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2, half 3, 4 left, 5, step around, 7, 8. There you go. Right, left on 7, 8. Okay? So part 1, you do it twice. From here, we're going to do part 2. And part 2 is going to take us back here. We're going to do part 2 4 times. So when we get to our back wall, we go into part 2. All it is a dip with a rock recover with a triple step on the right and the left. Triple step. And you're going to turn, stepping into the next wall, vine to the right, vine to the left. Right, right, tap left, left, right, tap right. I'm sorry you're looking back at the camera, okay? And that's going to move counterclockwise all the way around. You're going to do the same thing. Dip with a rock recover on the right with a triple step. Dip on the left with a rock recover on the left. And you step into the next wall with a vine. Stepping on the right, left, tap left, right, tap right. You hear? Right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. Turn it forward to your next wall, vine, right, tap left, right, tap right. We haven't made it back to our front wall. We're going to keep on doing that same step. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. When you step on that right, that's when you do your quarter turn. Right, tap left, right, tap right. Okay, now, from here, you're going to go back to part 1. Part 1, and you do it 2 times. And that's with the cha-cha. So let's do that, and we'll meet me at the front wall. We're going to do that twice. Here we go, cha-cha with a rock recover. 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, back, 5 and 6, 7, jump up, is 1, 2, back, 3, up, 4, out, 5, 6, 7, 8, cha-cha, 1 and 2, pivot, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 3/4, 7, 8. Step around right, left, remember, because we're doing a 3/4 turn. From here, we start with our cha-cha with the rock recover. Part 1 again. 1 and 2, rock, recover, 3, 4, left, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Jump up. 1, 2, back, 3, up, 4, out, right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha, pivot, half. Cha-cha, left, 3/4, right, left. Okay, now we're back at our front wall. So from here, we're gonna do, I'm gonna say it's a bridge, and we're gonna do it twice. So you're gonna say beep, beep, beep. You're gonna say beep, beep, beep. So you go right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, hold, and right, left, right, left, right, left. You tap around. Come back. 1, 2, double, 3 and 4, double, 5 and 6, double, 7 and 8, double, 1 and 2, step 3, hold 4, tap around, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then you do that again. Beep, beep, single, and you got doubles. Single, single, double, 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 hold, and tap, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's all 3 parts. So let me give you the rotation. All right? So here's the rotation. So I gave you all the parts to the dance. It's a 2-wall dance. So on the front wall, Lil Weight, you do part 1. 2 times. You do it at this wall and you do it at this wall. Then it brings you back to this wall. Once you get back to this wall, you do part 2. Remember, part 2 brings, you got to do it to all 4 walls. And it moves counterclockwise. That's the dip with the rock recover, triple step on the right and the left, and step forward with the vine to the right and the vine to the left. You make that turn on the vine. You do that all 4 walls. So then when you get back here, all 4 walls, it brings you back here. So then the dance starts over. You back at part 1 again because that's the second rotation. Okay, so from here, you start back at the top. You do part 1 twice at this wall and this wall. When you do that, it's gonna bring you back here at the front wall. And that's when you do the beep. When you do the beep, you do, which is part 3, I call it the bridge. You're gonna do it 2 times. You're gonna do it this wall. It's 1, 2, double, 3 and 4, double, 5 and 6, double, 7 and 8, double, 1, 2, right, 3, hold 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna do it here again. And it's gonna bring you here at this back wall. Once you get to the back wall, you're gonna do part 2, which is the rock recover on the right with the triple step, a rock recover on the left with the triple step, and then you do the vine. Turn on the vine. Now, we normally do that 4 times, but we're not. We're gonna only do it 2 times till we get to this wall here. Once we do that, you do part 1. Part 1 is gonna bring you to the back wall, and then you pick up doing part 2 for the rest of the song. So to be a little technical, you do part 1 on the verse, and you do part 2, you do part 1 on the chorus. The song starts with the chorus, and you do part 2 on the verse, okay? and the bridge is part of the verse. But because you don't do it, you start over before you do part 3, I'm gonna call it the bridge, okay? And you do that twice. So let me give you that again. And you can, I'm not gonna give it to you again. Just watch the demo and you'll understand. So thank you again for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience. I appreciate you. We are getting ready to receive you. You're gonna have a wonderful time. If you haven't registered, do so. If you don't have time, remember you have time to get on the wait list, but you got to do it as early as possible because we don't have that many people that cancel. Also, make sure you check out the demo. Let's dance together. Thank you again for watching. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. And I apologize for being a little spacey, but I didn't shut my phone off, so it was going off at the same time. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.